On your Apple iPhone, you can set a PIN for your SIM card. If you do this, and someone tries to use your SIM in another device, they'll need to enter the PIN to unlock it. Otherwise, the SIM will stay locked. In this video, we'll show you how to set a PIN for your SIM card on an Apple iPhone. To do this, open Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see an option for Mobile Service. Tap it. When you're in Mobile Service and scroll down, you'll find an option called SIM PIN. Tap that. Once you do, you'll see the SIM PIN option displayed. By default, the SIM PIN might be turned off. If you want to enable it, just toggle it on. When you try to turn it on, you'll be prompted to enter a PIN code. Sometimes, you may have already set a PIN code. In my case, I've already set one. If you haven't set one, you'll be asked to create a PIN code. For example, I'm entering my PIN now. After that, you'll see a Done button at the top. Tap it. Once you do, the PIN for your SIM will be enabled. If you don't see it, just go back and check again. When you reopen it, you'll see the SIM PIN is turned on. That's how you can easily enable a PIN for your SIM on an Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.